if you're new here. My name is Jackie, spelled with a Q, not a K. Aight. Okay. Here we do beauty-related content. Most of the time it's makeup, and it's usually makeup that I already have. Nothing really new, because your girl be broke. Okay, so if you enjoyed this while you're watching, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't know what you're waiting for, might as well just subscribe. Ring the bell, because my uploads can be very sporadic. I'm a complicated woman, you know? All right. Yeah. Anyways, so today we are going to be unboxing a nipple cover boob tape breast tape kit by VBY. Alright, so it looks like this. I have not opened it yet, as you can see. These are all the ways that you can use this tape, and like the shirts you would wear when you do it that way. Pretty interesting, huh? So we're going to open it with something. What are we going to open it with? Tweezers, I suppose. Let's try it with tweezers. Alright, let's try to peel off the sticker. No? Oh boy. Sticker's just going to rip off part of the box. That's okay. I think. I hope. Alright, just freaking open. Alright. Alright, so it comes... Oh, snap! I got nude and black. What? Ooh. Look at that. Even comes with directions. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. See, this is the type of stuff I would need when I wear my, like, one strap shirt, or I don't have shirts that have no straps. Most of them are, like, off the shoulder or one strap, stuff like that. Because, yo, I cannot find a freaking strapless bra that'll stay where I want it to save my freaking life. So, comes with black and nude, and also double-sided tape with invisible light and thin design. You can use them in a variety of occasions at ease. Clean the sticking area before use. Please do not put this product in the sun for a long period of time. No idea what this stuff is. And then, I believe these are the nipple covers. You know, you don't want to tape that. You do not. Oh yeah, nipple covers. Because you don't want to put tape on those. That would not feel good. Oh, one in like an ivory fabric-y type, and one in kind of like a silicone nude. So, that's what comes in the box. So if you have like a wedding to go to and you're wearing like a very like off the shoulder, these would be perfect, because you don't have to worry about pulling it up. Gotta keep pulling it up. Yeah, you won't have to worry about that. Those, I can't for the life of me find a strapless bra that I like. So this would be my way, the way that I would go when wearing a strapless, off the shoulder, or one strap halter, anything like that. Is what I would use this for. So it's very good for special occasions. And, you know, if you're wearing anything fancy. I will list, this is my lovely unboxing of everything you get. 2 tapes, black, nude, 2 different kinds of nipple covers, double-sided tapes to tape the nipple covers, I would guess. Diagram of how to use the tape and what you would use certain ways of taping for. And yeah, tells you how to apply. So that is what comes in this box, and I will have all the information for this product linked not linked. Jay doesn't have links. I'll just have it listed in the description box so you know where to get it. And yeah, it's called VYB. Nipple Cover Kit, Boob Tape, Breast Tape Kit. That is what this is. Thank you to VBY for sending me this product to show you as a free gift. Oh God, I ruined the box. Yeah. All right. So yeah, it's also breathable, high stretch, hypoallergenic, sweat resistant, skin friendly, and invisible. Nice. So that is that. Yeah, if you're interested, look in the description box and all the information will be there. So that is it for this very, very short video. I guess I could have added that to the end of a different video, but I didn't. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you found it interesting, and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you haven't yet, subscribe, because I would love it if you did. It would be nice, you know? I mean, there's not enough nice people in this world today. All right, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.